Welcome to another video in Travel Small, Live Big's Campground Favorite Series, and welcome to Citronelle Lakeview RV Park a bit west of the town of Citronelle in Alabama. If this is your first or hey, even 10th time visiting our channel, please consider subscribing for more videos in this series.
Hi, I'm Heather, this is Jim, and this is Sierra, our rescue pup. She is a handful. We've lived what would be considered an alternative lifestyle for 30 years, on sailboats. We slowly moved up, cruised the west coast of Mexico twice, and now, for the first time in many years, are boatless. The three of us are full-time in our small travel trailer. We started our adventure in our RPod 177 and then moved up to our Imagine 17 MKE. We are Travel Small, Live Big. Join us as we share our new RV, our campground information videos, and our exploring of the United States.
Wow, did we love this place. First, to reserve your site, you make a phone call, and Dwight, who is the best of the best camp hosts ever, will take your information. He had a big camping group scheduled to come in at the same time we wanted to come, but did assign us a site via phone and text. He then texted again and called me when he had a different site open up. And, best part, provided me with the address of the park and the permission so I could get a package UPS'd here. Yay, our license plate for the trailer. And then we got lucky. The large camping group canceled and we had our pick of all of the sites. And for $22 a night in January of 2022, we had this awesome site, site number 6 with full hookups. And lake views out of 5 of our 6 windows. The campground has about 30 sites. Some are full-timers and some are here for 3 or more months, and I could see why, as the monthly rates were incredible. Not sure what those rates were off the top of my head, but they were really cheap. But I'm not going to give them out. I don't want to spoil this place. It has a bathhouse with a washer and dryer, yay! A playground for the kids. There are several fishing piers and supposedly 1 alligator. This is a city park which also has a golf course, a disc golf course, and several ball fields. Unfortunately, it was once again super cold on our visit, so no kayaking. Not much outdoor activity for us, actually. Sierra did get to chase the ball a lot at the smaller of the ball fields, and we had one warmish afternoon and evening. We even had our fire pit out, and I tell you, the lights across the lake from the community center and just the sky, it was just beautiful. This was really a great stay. We loved our time here. We also kept saying we could see taking advantage of that low monthly rate if it was warmer. A couple of 25-degree nights in a row, yikes. Most of the sites are Lakeview. They are on the outside of the loop with several pull-throughs in the center. All of the ones on the outside of the loop are back ends, but many of them were perfectly long enough where we wouldn't have to unhook. A few you can unhook if need be and park your tow vehicle across the street. We were given permission to do that if we had had site 23 or 24, but we were set up just perfectly in site number 6 and have to thank Dwight for making it so perfect here. This girl seems super happy to be here, and we told her there's only 1 alligator in the lake. It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Alabama, but today we're heading to Mississippi. And Mississippi will be state number 20 for us. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and leave us a comment so that we know that you were here. As always, thanks for watching.